Hello guys, welcome to the first episode of Go Cuisine from Go Studio. Some of you might think it's very complicated to make yogurt at home, but actually it's way more easier than you thought. Let me show you how to do it today. Many people like drinks yogurt. Some for health, some for good taste. And it is very friendly even to the people with the lactose intolerance. Here are material and tools you need to make yogurt. First one, 2 bottles of 250 milliliter pure milk. And 2 spoons or 3 spoons of yogurt. 20 grams of sugar, a spoon, a container with a cap, and batter with an air hold. And last tool you need is a yogurt machine or an oven with the fermentation functions. One note for you guys about the yogurt you use as seed. Please make sure it's true yogurt, not some yogurt drinks or flavored yogurt. And please also check the burden sheet when you buy the yogurt in the store and see if there are lactobacillus bulgaricus in it. Okay, let's get into the business. First, you need to pour the yogurt into the container. Use your spoon. And 2, pour the sugar in it. And step 3, pour in the pure milk. In the meantime, slowly stirring your spoon until you feel all the sugar will melt it. Keep slowly stirring. Okay, and step 4, and also the last step, put this container in your yogurt machine or the oven and set the temperature to 40 degrees Celsius and set the time to 7 hours and 30 minutes. That's the time I used to set. If you found your yogurt was too sour to drink, you can set the shorter time next time when you make the yogurt. Okay, let's put it in. One more sweet note. After it's done, if you couldn't drink all the yogurt in one day, better to preserve it in the refrigerator in case it goes bad. After all of this, you can just leave it alone in the oven or the yogurt machine and let the lactobacillus do its work. You can make the yogurt at night so you can enjoy it as a breakfast when you wake up in the morning. By the way, I would like to share with you a tips for choose yogurt in the store. It's very simple. Just remember 2 lows and 1 high, which means low carbohydrate, low fat, and high protein. You can easily find this information in the burden sheet or the nutrition sheet. And after a few hours of waiting, you can get this, a homemade, smooth, and good taste yogurt. And remember, all the percentage of the material in this video was just for reference. You can adjust it after you have some experience. Okay, that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye. Wow, look at that. Nice. This is Ghost Studio.